Practice and review. In this lesson, we will use what we've learned so far to create complete sentences in Spanish. Let's get started. How do you say the red ball in Spanish? El balón rojo. How do you say I have a red ball in Spanish? Yo tengo un balón rojo. How do you say 12 pencils? 12 lápices. Remember, because lápiz ends with a Z, to pluralize the word, we must replace the Z with a CES. How do you say he has 12 pencils? Él tiene 12 lápices. How do you say two gray cars in Spanish? Dos carros grises. Because gris ends in a consonant, we add ES to make it plural. How do you say Max has two gray cars? Max tiene dos carros grises. How do we ask, does Carmen have a purple book or a pink book? ¿Carmen tiene un libro morado o un libro rosado? How do we say Carmen has a book and a pencil? Carmen tiene un libro y un lápiz. How do you ask, do they have one house or two houses? ¿Ellos tienen una casa o dos casas? How do you say, he has 5 pencils and 3 books? Él tiene 5 lápices y 3 libros. How do you say, Marta and Jose have a house? Marta y José tienen una casa. I wanted to quickly touch on the different ways we can say or ask things. For example, Marta tiene un libro rojo o un libro blanco. The literal translation would be, Marta has a red book or a white book. But you can also ask, Marta tiene un libro rojo o uno blanco, which means Martha has a red book or a white one. Notice that in this example, we do not repeat the word book twice, since it's already understood we're talking about a book. Instead of saying a white book, we say a white one. And yet another way we can phrase the question is, Marta tiene un libro rojo o blanco, which literally translates to, Martha has a red or white book. In this last example, it's already understood we're talking about books, so there is no need to state the word book again, or even to use the word one. So we simply say red or white book. Just as in English, there are several ways to pose a question or to make a statement. Well done! You've just completed the practice and review for lessons 8 to 10. Please remember to practice until you feel confident with the material. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.